What's up, YouTube? Jeremy here, and welcome back to my channel.
I don't see an app called YouTube. You'll need to get that from the App Store first.
Thanks. Let's try that again. What's up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Ewa Beach, Hawaii. We're checking out a really nice home. This was just listed for 1.35 million. It's big, it's nice, it will look good in pictures, so I figured let's just stop by and make a video. So let's go check it out right now. All right, and here we are. Here is the home. Kind of a crappy day today, but not too bad. Here is my car, but this is pretty much the neighborhood over here. See, the thing about these Gentry homes is that they have the garage and a driveway, which is nice because, of course, extra parking. But on top of that, you also have all this room over here for street parking. So Gentry, if you have a lot of cars, definitely come over here. All right, now let's go to the front. Oh wow, look at this. This is a nice sculpture or whatever this thing is, but really nice. We can hang out here. And I believe this is a separate studio. That's kind of good because, you know, here, especially in Hawaii, there's a lot of multi-generational living. So the main family could live here, and, you know, auntie and uncle or grandma and grandpa could live here, or even if you want, you could just rent this out and, you know, collect income from it. All right, so we're gonna walk in. Here's the studio. Wow, okay. This is, oh, it even has a full bath here. Cool. So, yep, full bath. Nice. Okay, so you have your full bath here, and then the bedroom here. There's no like wet bar or kitchen or anything like that, so whoever's living here will definitely have to go to the main house. So I don't think you'd want to rent this out to a stranger. I guess that'd be weird. But if you guys recognize the staging, it's actually the same staging from my flips, if you didn't realize that. But this listing is listed by my mom and her boyfriend Marlon, and they hit me up to use the same stager I use, which is Tyler's Corner. Shout out to my auntie. This is her staging company. But yeah, she stages all my flips, and my mom reached out to her to stage this listing. Really beautiful. All right, well, this is the studio. Now let's go check out the main house. All right, main house. Wow, okay. Love these ceiling fans. Wow, okay, cool. We got the stairs up there, high ceilings. What's under here? This is what I like to call Harry Potter's room, AKA storage. I'm really digging this storage or closet system or whatever. Keeps you organized. I need that because I'm not an organized person. And so here's a better look at the living room. Lots of space. Dining room. I love this setup. And then kitchen. Wow. I really love this oven microwave combo. Let's turn on the light so it's not so dark. Cool. Big island. Cool. Nice cabinets. Goes well with the floor. Well, what do I know? I'm colorblind. Oh, cool. And here's the view. It's not a golf course view, but you don't have any neighbors in the back, which is really nice. Whoa, I love this area. This is cool. This is a dope area. You just chill here, drink, watch the game, have fun out here. You could party here, man. This is cool. Enjoy this nice view. You have neighbors on the left and right, but no one directly behind you, so that's pretty cool. You know, you could like go over here and just swing golf balls. I'm just kidding, don't do that. I'm not promoting or suggesting you should do that, but hey, look at this. Fruit tree. What are these? Lemons? I think these are lemons. But yeah, this outdoor space is really dope. Oh, look at this fan. That's so cool. Wow, I love the outside ceiling. design. This is a nice space, wow. You know, after walking in here for like 5 minutes, like just after seeing the living room and the kitchen right over here and this outdoor space, this is listed at 1.35. I honestly think this is going to sell for like 1.45, probably 1.5. Yeah, honestly, I'll say 1.5 or more, because this kind of home, it's huge. And you have all this space right here and this view, no one behind you. So we'll see what this sells for, but listed at 1.35. I definitely think it's gonna sell for more than that. All right, we are back inside. We're gonna go check the upstairs, but let's just look at this view from the kitchen. Like, wow, look at that. I really like the setup. Like, it's so open, the open concept, like that's what sells, honestly. It just feels so like, wow, you know, this is a big house. Got the stairs up there, lots of wall space. You could put art, family pictures, whatever, and this tall ceiling. So let's go check out, oh, there's more space over here. Let's check this out. So on the left, we have, ooh, laundry room. This is a huge laundry room. Wow, that's nice. Okay, and then on the right, half bath. This is, you know, for your guest, so you don't have to go upstairs and use the bathroom. And on the right, we have a bedroom. Wow, this is a huge bedroom. Is this the master? Yeah, this is the master. Oh man, this is a huge bathroom. Wow. Look at this jacuzzi tub. Man, you can do a lot in here. And this walk-in shower. This is sick. Where's the lights? Wow. This is cool. This looks like the, I guess, original shower. If I were to buy this home, I'd honestly replace this with like a rainfall Amazon raindrop shower, whatever it's called. But yeah, there's a lot of space up here. This is cool. I like this. And then we go on the right, we have, of course, where the magic happens, and a shelf. I don't know why you need a shelf in the bathroom, in the toilet, but maybe like, I don't know, a stack of toilet paper. But that is a shelf. And on the left, whoa, this is a huge walk-in closet. Wow, okay. Not really a fan of this closet system, but I mean, if the Harry Potter room's closet system was in here, that would be pretty dope. And there's this guy right here. This master bath is pretty big and pretty cool. Here's the view from the closet. So that was just the master bathroom. And then let's go back and do that again. So that was the master bedroom, which is on the first floor. Some people like that, some people don't. I know as, you know, couples or parents, whatever, as they get older, they don't like going up the stairs and down the stairs. So that's kind of good to have on the first floor. But what do you guys think? Drop below in the comments if you like having the master bedroom on the first floor. All right, so we just walked up the stairs and now we're upstairs to this, oh my gosh, it is a yoga studio. Awesome. So yeah, this is, I guess, upstairs loft space, I guess. This is pretty huge, honestly. Like, this could be your second living room. You put a TV over here, or maybe, you know, like a study area or an office. That was the word I was looking for. Just didn't register in my mind. Anyway, it's really nice. You know, if you just want to get a lifting session going on, you know. Oh yeah, I wonder if this is the staging equipment or if this is the owner's. But hey, Auntie, my aunt, she's a stager. This is yours. Thanks for letting me use this. And here is the yoga studio / office / study / loft from the back, because you know you always gotta look at things from the back, right? I'm stupid. Anyway, so here is the balcony, aka the lanai, aka the balcony if you're not from Hawaii. Whoa, Who is it? Oh my God, that's a wasp. That's a wasp. Okay, not going there. Yep, so this is the balcony. As I was saying, the lanai. If you're watching this and you're not from Hawaii, we call the balcony a lanai. As we make our way to the other rooms, on the left, this is a bedroom and a office space and a surfboard. This is all the staging. But wow, this is a huge room with a walk-in closet. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. For a regular bedroom, this is pretty big. And oh, look at that. You have your own bathroom? No, this is oh, you know what kind of bathroom this is. I said it in my other videos that connects to the other bedroom. I'm not gonna mess this up. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Got it right this time. I think in one of my other videos in my flip, I called it a Romeo and Juliet bathroom. Like, who calls it a Romeo and Juliet bathroom? But yeah, Romeo and Juliet, you know, like, might as well call it a Mario and Luigi bathroom, you know, a Tom and Jerry bathroom. Here is the other bedroom. Man, this is a huge bedroom. Like, this might as well be another master, you know? Wow. Like, this is where, okay, if you're a family, right, downstairs is the master bedroom, and this is the other bedroom, so I'm assuming your kids would have this. If I was a kid and I had this bathroom, oh my God, like, I'm like the luckiest kid in the world. You could land a plane in this big bedroom. Seriously. All right, to like show you guys, like, for context, you know, like the scale, this is how big the bedroom is. Like, from here, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. This is a huge bedroom. So if you're a kid, whoever buys this and you're a kid and you have this room, like, dude, you're the luckiest kid in the world. So you better thank your parents and, you know, be a good kid. So again, that is the second bedroom, which is basically a master. And you have the third bedroom, which is still pretty freaking huge. Like, this is like a living room. And then you have the second living room slash yoga studio slash study center slash office. And then here's just some space, you know? And then don't forget the Romeo and Juliet, Tom and Jerry, Jack and Jill bathroom right here for you. So that is pretty much the entire house. To recap, it is 1.35 million. You have 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 huge bedrooms upstairs. You have the master over here downstairs, and then you have the other studio out in front. So this is a 4-bedroom, 1, 2, 3, 3.5. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And oh my God, again. But anyway, yeah, this is a huge home, and I think there's PV panels on here as well, which makes homes very desirable here in Hawaii because we have a lot of sun, and, you know, everything's expensive. So if you can use PV panels to save on electricity, then, you know, that makes all the costs even better. I'm trying to look for, here we go. Here is the fact sheet. I think I should have grabbed this in the beginning, but it's okay. So yes, it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,500 square feet house. The lot is 5,040 square feet. Just hit the market like a couple days ago. Holy crap, 32 PV panels that are owned. Yeah, this is definitely, so it's listed again for 1.35 million. This is not gonna sell for 1.35 million. This is probably gonna hit 1.45, if not 1.5. And if I were to put money on it, I would say this would sell for 1.5 or more. So yeah, that was the entire house. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys again for watching again, and I'll see you next time.